Hi everyone and welcome to a new edition of Jaltest diagnostic vlogs. My name is Marcos and in this vlog I will show you how to easily reset the maintenance counters on a Bobcat S700 series with Jaltest. One of the most important parts of preventative maintenance for compact construction machineries is the routine service. Once it has been performed, the technician must reset the counters so that the alert turns off and a new maintenance cycle gets started. So the case study shows how to easily restart this periodic maintenance counter in these skid steel loaders of Bobcat S700 series. So first of all, from the main screen, we have to manually go to construction equipment and then Bobcat S series and S700 series. Here we select from the list of ECUs the one that we want to connect to. In this case is going to be the body computer. So Jaltest will help us to connect or to hook up to the machine. If you click on connectors, you will find two different connection options here. And also you will find some help to find the diagnostic port on the machine physically. Also you have information regarding the pinout and even the picture of the cable that you're gonna need in every specific case. So in this one, for this particular action, for the maintenance counter reset on the skid steel loader, we're gonna need the connector, the 539A, which is gonna be connected to the OBD2 cable. Okay, and this is a special connector that allows to perform diagnostics actions without actually having a key. Okay, it's an exclusive connector for proprietary Bobcat systems, and thanks to its morphology, it's a two-head cable, we will be able to connect to the CAN bus without opening a circuit. So once we have selected this connection, we will go to connect. Once we are connected to the body computer system, we will find all the different options available. In this case, the maintenance reset is going to be under maintenance. So we click on it and then maintenance reset. We just need to click and start the action. However, you don't need to remember where every specific action is located. You can always use this search bar on the top to filter by keyword. So in this case reset, and the software will take us wherever it is. In this case maintenance and maintenance reset. Very simple. We're gonna be asked for the expert mode code, which is a safety password needed anytime that we modify the normal behavior of the ECUs of the vehicle. Every Jaltest user has its own expert mode code. In this case, I already have mine automatically introduced since the moment I open the software. This is something that you can just set up. So I click on accept, and as in any bidirectional test, we have 3 steps. The first one is gonna be to read the instructions of what we're about to do. In this case, this reset must be performed whenever the user wants to restart the periodic maintenance counters. Then make sure that all the initial conditions are met. In this case, engine must be stopped and the vehicle parked. Once we are okay and we have fulfilled all the initial conditions, we continue the process by clicking on accept, and finally we must follow the different instructions given during the procedure. In this case, we have an attention message which says that to perform this action it is mandatory to use direct connection. We already said it before. Next, turn the ignition key to stop the position and place the switch in the position 1. Then we can continue the process. Now place the switch in the position 0 and then place it again in the position 1. After that, continue the process. And finally, place the switch in the position 0 and turn the ignition key to the position on again. Then continue with the process. Finally, we can see the current values here displayed. We have the maintenance interval state, that could be on and off, the engine operation hours, and the time to the next maintenance. Finally, we click on the check mark and we are done. It is pretty simple. As you can see, it just takes us a very few minutes, and you can perform this maintenance reset by yourself instead of just thinking about taking it to the dealer, so you can work independently. I really hope that you have enjoyed this particular case study. In future vlogs we will be showing more Jaltest functionalities. So thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question or you want to tell us your thoughts, just do it here below in the comments. And again, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in next Jaltest diagnostic vlogs. Bye bye.